Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to rotate an image in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app, and here it opens up in the edit menu. From here we just select the project that we want to work on, and then tap on the clip or the picture that you want to rotate. Then in the bottom row we swipe to the right, tap on transform, and then tap on rotate. And then the picture is going to be rotated 90 degrees to the right side, as you can see. And yeah, actually that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.